Hey guys, welcome back to my room or to my channel. So as you can see, I finally did this hair. A lot of you guys wanted to see how I do this, so here it is. Before we start, I just want to show you what we're working with today. So I recently purchased this Babyliss triple barrel waver. It's absolutely amazing. There's also smaller versions and way bigger ones, which I actually wanted, but I couldn't find that like really big one. This is the only thing I could find here where I live. It's absolutely amazing. It does my hair really nice. Also my hair extensions, as you can see, my hair actually looks so natural, like I had my hair in braids. This hairstyle can last for a few days if you don't have to wash your hair that often. So yeah, I would suggest to invest in something like this. This was really not that expensive. I mean, for me, it was around like $100 in here where I purchased it. I'm not sure for the real cost. I'm gonna check this out for you and put it in this description box so that you can actually see the real price in US dollars. You're gonna see everything in the video, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn this on. The temperature is 220. I'm starting with hair extensions first. So first thing, what I like to do, I take the hairspray and I'm using Taft Keratin hairspray. This is my favorite one and it has such an amazing smell. The first one that I'm gonna do is 4 clip wefts. I'm going to separate in 3 pieces. So I'm starting with this first one. I'm gonna spray the entire piece like that. Take the brush. This is hair extension brush. I use it on my own hair and it's amazing. Let's get started. I always start from here and then you just press. This is really like the most simple hairstyle you're ever gonna do. Now we're going down and I always like to start when I just finished, which is here, like that, okay. And then you hold for a few seconds, like this, and you can already see the waves. Oh, I love this hairstyle so much. Part is done, so I always go back to the hairspray and spray it once again so that it stays in place. Now let's go to the second part. And voila, this is the finished result. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it sit on a side while I'm doing the other clip-ins. I think it looks good. It looks really cool. So now that I did my hair extensions, I am going to do my hair. And before that, I'm going to use this Redken Pillow Proof Blow Dry Express Primer Base Heat Protection Spray for your hair. Now I'm going to brush out my hair like that to spread the entire product all over, so that really protects my entire hair. So first what I like to do is I'm going to separate my hair like that and brush it out like so. Piece like this one, not too thin, not too thick, and just press and hold for a few seconds. Oh my gosh, I forgot hairspray. Shit. Okay, I'm just gonna spray it so that it maybe stays like this. Why did I forget that? I never do. Once again, I'm taking another piece and this time I'm going to spray it like that and then brush it out. Let's go. I'm seeing myself here at the mirror, so it's really hard to do that for the camera. I usually do this hairstyle in my bathroom, but there's literally no way of me to do it because I cannot put my camera anywhere in front of me. So yeah, unfortunately. And I'm going all the way to my ends because I am going to add hair extensions, so we really don't want that like transition, like visible transition. It is gonna be, but let's make it as minimal as possible. This is how much of hair I'm actually taking. It's really not thick, it's like a few inches. And I'm doing this because I find it like the best for my hair. Because the waves hold much better and hairstyle looks better as well. So let's do it again. I'm going to repeat the same steps on my next piece. When you have short hair like me, it's so fast to actually do this hairstyle, because when it's longer, obviously you need more time. But I would definitely not suggest doing this every single day or every time you style your hair, because it would eventually dry out your hair no matter how much of hair care you use, or there's no hair mask that can actually save you from straight hair. So keep that in mind. I don't do this every single time. I do this like every once in a while when I want to have some kind of hairstyle, and that's it. Now we're going to this side, my right side, and I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to finish this bottom part, and then I'm going to show you how I do my crown. Once again, straight brush it out. This is such an easy hairstyle, but so boring, because you literally just sit and keep pressing your hair. Again, I'm starting from here. I don't know why, that's just my side. Whenever I'm doing something on my hair, I always start from my left side. Wait, what did I? Okay. Let's go and finish this hair because it's getting really hot in here. All right. One more piece. Just a little bit more, just a little bit. Almost done, almost done, almost done. Okay. Okay. Once again, I'm starting with this piece first. Oh, and by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. I bought this by myself, so I just genuinely wanted to show you my hairstyle. So how was your day, guys? Let me know, talk to me. What's going on in your lives? What's going on? I'm really not that inspired today, so I'm really sorry if I'm really boring in this video. Maybe it's gonna be a fail, but I was thinking about doing a Q&A video. I haven't done that in like a while, so if you would like that, let me know in the comment section. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the hair extensions. Okay, so I took this huge comb and I'm just going to comb my hair, the hair extensions mostly, so that I separate them and make them look more natural. I'm also going to comb my hair as well. Like this, okay. Yeah, looks way better. So obviously you can see where my natural hair, where my own hair ends, but you know, it's not that bad. I can still wear my hair extensions. I think it looks okay. I'm gonna show you my hair from behind. Hopefully it looks good. And to finish off this hairstyle, I'm going to use Kevin Murphy Young Again Infused Treatment Oil. I'm just gonna take a few pumps on my hands. Okay. I'm just gonna go over my own hair the most, like this. I don't know if I helped you with the video, but I'm not a professional hairstylist. This is just how I do it on my own hair and on my hair extensions. Yeah, if you liked this video, give me some thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see each other in my next video. Love you.